Hello everyone, and especially for Aprilia Wulandari. My name is Cindy Wulandari. Here, the analysis for your literature review matrix, research problem, and also research question. The first one is about research topic. Here, maybe you forget to make it, what is that? For your T letter, you must make it capital. And then for your research topic, you should make it more specific about a story that you want to use. Maybe that's about travel story, or maybe about vegetable, or maybe about human stories, or maybe about human short story, or maybe about storytelling. You must make it more specific. And then for the first article, this is already enough. And then you can make it the V letter capital. And then the second one is about important note here. Maybe you can make it specific about the media that they use. Maybe this is about short story, but what strategy or what media that they use, because I already see all of your article, which is 10 article. You don't mention about the specific one, the media that they use, because I believe that every article or every research have different or specific strategy or media that they use. So this is really important to you because you can see this table again, and then you can review it. What specific that you will use in your research, and that different with the other article. And then also about the personal article, is this media also the same with the first article? Maybe you can make it the similarity from two of this article. And also for the third article, maybe you forget about a provide year in this what is that, in this article. Or maybe if this article don't have a year, maybe you can say n.d, which mean no date. And then for this article also, the personal, what is that? The personal note. This research is almost related to the topic that I will raise in my research letter. Maybe you can tell in this personal note which part or why this article is related to your research. And then and also I see in this third article, this is the reason. If this is the reason why this topic is related to your research, maybe you must tell to your research topic and make it specific or different with using short story like this article. This article just tell about this article use short story. Maybe you can make it specific to your research topic, which short story that you use. And then this one, also for the important thing, you can make it specific about what storytelling that this article used. And then also that's this also about personal note. Maybe in this part, you can tell about what the focus of this article, and then which part that this what is it? This article closely related to your research. And we move to the fifth article. This one. Maybe in this part, let me say, okay, in this part, I know that you will research about a short story. Maybe you can make it a specific, like I said before, specific about what story that you will use, and then this article have similarity to your first and second article. Maybe you can mention it to personal note, which part that similarity, because you said here that this is about using short stories. Maybe you can make it similarity with first and also second article. And then this one, I don't really understand about this one. You said that it is almost related, but it's just that my topic is not to know the effectiveness of using short stories. If this not what's that, not related to your story, you can say that this is not related to your story. Or maybe if this related to your story, which part that related to your story. Maybe you are not use, or you are not research about the effectiveness. Maybe the other part of this article is related to your research. Maybe you can mention it for this personal note, because that's important to you, to know what is that, to know the differences between your research and also this article. And also for the sixth one is also the same. Maybe you can say the specific why this related to your topic. Maybe you can maybe you cannot just say that this is about vocabulary mastery using research skill. Maybe inside or inside of this article is tell about what is that, the important part for your research. Maybe this article tell about what is student vocabulary mastery, or what is reading comprehension, and that's important to your research to make it more, what is that, to make it your research strong, like that, because you already see the theory of this from this article. And the seventh is about this article have similarity with article number 4, which mean about a storytelling. Maybe you can tell in the personal note which part that are similar with this article, because I see this article is about storytelling. Maybe have a similarity with the number 4. And then number 8 is also the same. This is have similarity to number 6, because this is about vocabulary mastery on students' reading comprehension. And for the 6th article is also the same. This is about student vocabulary mastery and their reading comprehension. Maybe you can, what is that? You can make your research strong with this theory, and then you can put in your research so that your research will strong. And okay, and the 9th, I will not give a comment because this is already complete, because you said that this is not connected with your what is that, with your research. And the last one is number 10. And also you can make it specific what storytelling that they use. Maybe this is too much that I tell you about the specific one, because I believe that every article have different strategy, different media, and that you must make it as your personal note to make your to make make you easier to make your research topic more specific and then more different or maybe similar with the other article, because we cannot use or we cannot research uh, the same topic with the other article. Okay, and also this article have similarity to number 4 and number 7. Maybe you can provide it for this personal note. And we move to the research problem. In this one, maybe you can tell the specific about school level that you will research, because the story, what is that? School level have a different story or different strategy also. And then where the place that you will research, maybe what school that you will research, because every school have different strategy and different media to use a story for their for their learning. And also you must every school have different student needs. Maybe you can make it specifically, and then make it specific about what story that you will use. And for the research question, I think you can ask about how to increase students' English vocabulary mastery, because if you ask about this, how can student be able to improve their understanding of English vocabulary easily and quickly? This question is related to the students. How can students find their their solution to their problem? Maybe this is I think you should ask about how to increase students' English vocabulary mastery to the teacher. Maybe you can make it research. The subject is the teacher, not the students, because students, I think the students cannot find their solution about this. All right, that's all about my analysis. I hope you understand, and thank you.